Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video I'm going to discuss pound US dollar, and I have discussed a plan with all of you. 350 pips the plan was giving us. So this is continuation of that video. I will be giving you a recap, so if you have not seen that video, still you can understand this trading plan. So let's have a look at the pound US dollar. At the moment there was a very nice opportunity we had to generate around 350 pips. The overall move it shows is 374 pips, but definitely I will be discussing with you that whether you should leave the positions or not and what should you do. Plus there was one short-term trade opportunity right here that I have discussed. I will be showing you that as well. So in the previous video what I have said is that this is going to be a very nice and fantastic broken level, and this impulsive wave that I'm going to follow belongs to this particular area. If I look to the left side of the market, definitely I will be extending it a little bit, and if you see, we have found a very nice support right here, and even very nice resistance up there if you see, which means that any structures that they were trading right here during this time frame, after that we can clearly assume that the market is clearly following the structures very nicely. And since then, if we see, if I study this whole data, all of my previous videos are there on my channel, so you can always have a look at that. All of these moves I have covered in front of you, and since then if you see, the market is clearly bullish. And on the daily time frame, if you see, this was like all the way started from 26th September 2022. Now there is obviously market is clearly standing at a resistance level, and any sell opportunity or buy opportunity the market is going to give me, we will be discussing this. This is a trade you can see in front of you, and first of all I want to discuss about it with all of you. Last time, if you remember, there was a trade setup that I clearly gave you, and those of you who traded it, I'm sure must have booked around 150 pips by now, or most probably your stops will be at the break even. And why I am holding a buy position from right here, I will be discussing that with now. So from right here, the actual buy zone was with us, considering this support right here with us, and just have a look at the RSI. And on the RSI, it will be confirmed that if it is going to be an impulsive wave with us or not. Definitely last time I have discussed it with you, and I think the pen is not working right here today, but anyways, so from right here, if you see, from right here and right here, the market started to coming back down in a sort of like, you can say, downward channel. And if I specifically draw a trend line on it, you will see that we have got a very nice triangle. Now I will make a separate video on triangle. These are very strong and powerful patterns that can give you some very nice trading opportunities if you want to trade it. So definitely there was one triangle we had, and no doubt this is a very clear bullish triangle right here. And if we look at it at the back side of it, on the daily time frame, we can find some structures most probably right here, and I will be zooming in to check out what's going on to the left side. When market was right here last time, it gave a very nice sort of like a breakout from the zone right here. And the take profit that I have said, definitely this is like the previous breakout zone. So we are not saying, like, if I zoom out, I will be showing you, I'm not saying that I'm targeting this much, because at that time the market was clearly going back up from right here, even a corrective wave right here we have got, even we have got a very nice downward trend, tradable at several times right here. If you can see, from here it was tradable, from here it was tradable. All of them are the Fibonacci levels. Make sure to check out my Fibonacci trading strategy. And here was the master plan right here, followed by a 61, followed by a 61.8% retracement, a very nice drop. So market was supposed to go back from here. Market was very nice. This corrective wave turned into a trend right here, and we have got a very nice lower low than the previous one right here. So this plan right here, sort of like, we can say, it failed, and we have got and established a very new the support zone which has been established into a very new, nice and perfect resistance level for the future. Let's see right here, and if I can switch to the right side of the market, you can clearly see that this is going to be a very nice and perfect trade opportunity. So 1.29953, if I show you why I'm going to consider this, definitely there is an ABCD pattern right here, one from right here, one from right here, and there are several on the H4, which I definitely discussed in the last video. So I'm sure you must have made a lot of profits from the pound US dollar, and let me show you this very clearly. If you can see on the H4, when I was discussing this triangle right here, we have seen that the market is going to go bullish. Make sure to check out the previous forecast for the pound US dollar, because in that video I have discussed this whole setup in a very easy manner right here. Since today I'm a little bit in a rush and the pen is also not working, let's see right here. Last time what I have said is that if we get a break above, we are going to take a buy, and if we are going to break below, we are going to take a sell. So what happened is that we have got a breakout, but there is one slight problem that I have discussed already with you in that video as well. Let me repeat it right here once again, because this is so much important to understand. And even though this is a corrective wave, the market has a very less volume at the moment, and today we have seen some greater volume as well. And on the greater volume, if you see this candle, this one right here, the red one, this is followed by like a fundamental candle. We have like I can say we had news for the dollar today. So there is one important thing that I want to tell to all of you, and that will be definitely this 61.8% retracement, because I'm a Fibonacci trader, and once I get a break above, then I consider trading it. So at the moment this is the current situation, and the triangle was something like this at that time. So make sure to check out the previous video. We got a breakout, we got a retest. Even today we have got a sort of Fibonacci zone right here. Let me clearly show you that, and a Fibonacci of around 61.8% retracement. We can say very easily that the market came back down. Now at this particular moment, this price action on the H4 is showing me that we have got a sudden boost of the market, and then a sudden drop as per the news and the fundamental activities. So market and the technical suggest a push up towards 1.28617 for now. So this is the current plan, and if you see this particular plan was almost like activated from right here. So with a take profit of 195 pips, this is a very nice. My entry is a little bit late because I was looking for this confirmation, and I was also away from my PC. So this is the particular plan, current plan on the pound US dollar. Now remember, we need a close above. Let me write it down and let me highlight this area as a threat zone, because this can push the market further down. Once again, 1.27507. remember, this area is very much important for us, and I will definitely need H4 candle to close above this. If an H4 candle closes above this, then I will say that okay, this is a very strong level. So further buy trades near 109 pips, and overall who took this trade from right here will generate around 269 pips. So overall a very nice one. Plus if this pattern completes right here, too many mess right here, but anyways, if it completes right here, the other TP will be at 1.29953. So overall seems a very nice and fantastic trade opportunity. And look at these charts. Remember everyone to always wait for the markets to give you some nice and decent trading levels, and once you get a very nice and decent trading level, you will be able to trade it with a very less stop loss, and you will be able to make a good sum of profit on that same trading account that you're going to trade. But remember my friends, you have to wait for the market to give you some nice structures. Unfortunately, I see these days most of the traders are like blindly trading, this is not a very good thing to do. I started live streaming for all of you to understand that you guys will understand. I will deliver you the knowledge that I have gained, but unfortunately I couldn't get enough viewership for that, plus the requirements for that, plus I'm busy these days as well. So I will try to do it twice a week as well. Make sure, remember everyone, if you are a new, if you want some mentorship services, if you are not consistently making profits, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number. That is +9231599222181. You can find that in the description below. I'm sure I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.